Okay, today we're going to talk about why I moved the way I moved. Just throw anything.
Okay.
One more.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So the reason why I'm doing certain movements is because what I'm basically doing is I'm trying to stop you from using your other side. So if I'm dealing with one weapon, say it was this. If I'm dealing with one weapon, I want to cancel this one out. If I'm dealing with this weapon, how can I cancel this one out? When you throw the punch, I need to go this way to cancel out that punch. Punch the other way, I need to cancel it out. The other one, leaving this open, leaving this open. The other thing is, if you shoot with the other punch,
Okay.
here, again, I can punch on this side. I can, or if I wanted to just go straight through, go straight punch, straight through. I'm focusing on moving this arm here, boom, boom. This is going to come next. Here, right? This is not safe. This could be coming.
Yeah.
There. When that one came, now I had to turn my body here and grab so you can't turn, right? And this could be an arm.
Oh, yeah.
Lock. Right here, the other punch, here, arm lock. I just practice these techniques over and over again until I just get used to it. And then I'm just trained to move that way. So remember the
double parry.
Double parry, turn, right? And then they throw the other punch to the other side.
Okay.
The other punch, right? The other side, right? This is a natural reaction. Even if I didn't know what I was doing, throw a punch at me, right? I don't know. This was just like a panic. You should be able to protect yourself even when you don't know it's coming, but you just flinch, right? I turn and then I can just shoot up the way I want to, right? So now I need to eliminate that hand, right?
Right.
I turn. See, if you're committing and holding on to me,
Take
right? See, see how I eliminated that hand. So this would be the follow-up. Once I move you here, boom, I'm striking here, right? If I move here, right? Hello everybody, this is Aaron Davis. I want to thank you all for watching my channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you want more content, if you want information about martial arts, if you want to know anything about me, if you want to know about how to get in touch with me, about taking private lessons or anything like that, please like and subscribe, send a comment down, share my stuff. And things like that just helps the channel grow. So just remember, like I always say, only respond to what is given.